one consolidation, expansion, another consolidation, expansion, another consolidation, big push higher, coming down, trading to this area, definitely very likely trades to this area, come down, trades to this area, take the low, and then further low, right? It's and if I have to, so again, market maker model, right? One level of consolidation, let me just change the color. One, you can say two, and you can say three on this chart. And what you want to see is that toward the end, an explosive move, which I think it's really set up for that, and then come down, right? So that will be the thing that happens. If I look at it on a 5-minute chart, it's like, can I make out something like this? Of course I can, right? So, you can start from the 315, you can, but whatever we are looking at, it's the same thing, right? Sometimes viewing on 5-minute chart just makes it easy for the eyes to understand and recognize. Now here it's not as, you see a lot of wick. I will put that as something like this right here. This is the third one, still under that. And this is followed by an explosive move, that level, and then come down. Now, in the lunch, it can actually keep on moving in this area. It can keep on doing whatever it has to do. But I think the best setup will only happen once this is taken out, right? Otherwise, it will be one of those days where it may not do anything. It will just chop, chop, chop. And then the real action happens, maybe overnight, whatever, right? So we'll have to see. But given the time, given that it's still AM, right? So this could be, if this is one of those days, I'll give you a very important clue. It's, if it is, this is buy side, and pertaining to the time, I'll give you, what you will see here is that if this is something that has to happen today, okay, this is all AM session, right? From here, you have 10:05 all the way. If this has to happen, then what you will see is that the high or the smart money reversal will happen during lunch. Okay, it has to happen during lunch. Here's the text. If it drags, drags beyond lunch, right? And if it's still consolidating and the lunch is long gone, okay, then this doesn't happen, right? Everything is also scheduled. The algorithm is all based on time as well, right? But if we actually see a quick burst into the lunch, during the lunch, and then a reversal, then there's a likelihood that the price can actually get here and below during the PM session. So this will then become AM session, and this sell side of the curve will become the PM session. Okay. And your smart money reversal will happen during lunch. So this is a typical characteristic. Okay, so let's see where the high is, what time the high is formed, right? We still have about 30 minutes for the lunch to be over. So, I mean, looks like this is how it's set up, right? The buy, the sell, and the sell is going to be high probability because it's also aligns with that higher time HTF order flow, and the draw, which is lower. Make sense? As you have seen in the earlier section, this is what happened, transpired this AM. So there was this consolidation followed by another two small consolidation with the smart money reversal happening at around 2:23 p.m. So when the smart money reversal happened that late, then the probability is that during the normal business hours, the sell side of the program would not be generally complete, right, and hit the sell side liquidity. And that's exactly what happened, right? The market closed somewhere here, the regular hours, and the market was hanging around here. But then, as we were talking about during the live session, there was a lot of liquidity that was built from each of the side, low of these consolidation bands, and even the higher time frame on liquidity was lower today, as we were discussing earlier. And that's exactly what transpired, even though it didn't really happen during the market hours, but then post market we see a sudden drop running the sell side liquidity, right? Two things I would point out here is that you can make out the market maker buy side, right? Buy model from here to here, and they'll happen in the sell side of the program. So there are certain things pertaining to the structure, liquidity, etc. That's out here. And if the smart money reversal, what you will see happens at around, let's say, around lunch, which is between 12 to 1:30 p.m. New York time, then likely you can also see a total PM reversal from pretty much running the sell side, the AM, the lowest one. Here's a quick one like today, and I'll find it useful, and I'll see you in the next.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.